Do you have your favorite phone case, but over time it gets so dirty and not so much see-through? Well, today we're gonna put an end to all that dirtiness with some simple household items like these ones right here. Put your phone case in a slightly bigger plate, take a little bit of baking soda and pour it right in there. Pour this baking soda all over your case and around your case just to be sure we have everything cleaned. Take white vinegar and add it all over this baking soda. This reaction is always amazing to watch. And if this is not enough to clean your case, we will add this washing detergent also. Now this strong mix of these three items will kill any living or dead bacteria on your case. And I'm pretty sure it will remove all that dirt and grease from your case. Fill this plate with warm water to tap it off and leave everything like this for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes will be just enough for everything on this case to dissolve itself. Alright, 30 minutes later, just rinse everything under the stream of fresh water. You don't need to rub it or anything, just wash it with your hands so you can feel all that washing detergent gone from your phone case. Once this is done, your phone case will be like a brand new one. Now I would like to send a special greeting to my friend Fudo, because he was the one who had this problem and he was like, Irfan, what is the easiest way to clean my phone case? Well, Fudo, there's your solution. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button so that this video can spread to more people, so I can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.